These are the products that you need to apply an Epsom salt poultice. A roll of sheet cotton, a hoof pick with a brush, a roll of vet wrap, the Epsom salt poultice, and a rubber glove. All of these products can be found at any well-stocked tack shop. To apply the foot poultice, first I use a hoof pick to pick and clean the foot. Then I apply a good amount of the poultice to the entire bottom and heel of the foot. Then I would typically remove my glove, place the sheet cotton in the foot, then I would wrap the foot with about half a roll of vet wrap.
Is there any trick to wrapping the foot?
So when wrapping the foot, I make sure to wrap around the foot without binding the coronary band and making sure that the wrap is high enough on the heel so that it's going to stay in place for most of the night. I cover the entire bottom to keep that sheet cotton in place. Typically, I would apply the hoof poultice at night after showing, leave it on through the night, and then remember to take the poultice off in the morning before you prepare your horse to horse show.